We can also use the phrase, I wish, to show your wishes regarding past, to show the regret about the past. For example, Mike wanted to propose to Donna to marry him when they were in college, but he didn't. He didn't have enough courage to propose. Now, 5 years later, he is single. He regrets not proposing to Donna. He thinks, I wish I had proposed to Donna back in college. I wish I had proposed to Donna. We use past perfect after I wish to show the wish regarding the past, to show our regret. My wishes he had proposed to Donna in the past when they were in college, of course. Now it's too late to change anything. He can't undo his past decisions. Now he can only wish. He wishes he had proposed to Donna. John sold his car and now he has to take the subway to work and he doesn't like it, so he thinks, I wish I hadn't sold my car. He wishes he hadn't sold his car. Past perfect, after I wish, which shows regrets regarding past. He regrets selling his car in the past. One more example. Sam went to a job interview, but they didn't give him the job. He is very sorry about this, so he thinks, I wish they had given me that job. He wishes they had given him the job in the past. Again, past perfect. After I wish shows that he is sorry about something that happened in the past.
I wish the ring had never come to me.
Frodo actually got the magic ring that got him into a big problem. Now he regrets getting this ring in the past. He wishes the ring had never come to him in the past. He wishes none of these bad things had happened also in the past. Okay, that's it for now. Let's move on to the next lesson.
All we have to decide is what to do.